I think hindi namin kontrolado yung injuries eh. But sabi ko nga kanina, we're trying to give emphasis dun sa health ng mga players, yung health, yung recovery nila coming from dun sa preparation namin. We have 4 weeks na I think for me ang ganda ng preparation namin ngayon, and they're all healthy. Thank God that this guy, healthy, Ian, Paul, because last conference we talagang nahit kami ng injuries eh, especially doon sa import namin. But now, yun yung focus namin. Sana yung preparation, itong journey namin, this conference will be a healthy one. Para lang mas maganda yung maging showing namin siguro. And also, sabi ko nga, we're trying to, yung mga ginagawa namin, yung bagong system namin on the defensive end, madagdagan pa ng more aggressiveness on dun sa backcourt, sa pressure namin sa court.
That plan to keep the players healthy for the long run.
Yes, you know naman, we're not getting any younger. We have young guys that can, play like Joe and these guys, Aris. But of course, we want to, as much as possible, limit or ma-spread namin yung minutes ni Mark, ni Paul, ni Ian, Calvin, para lang pagdating ng mga playoff time, they're fresh. So yun, we're trying to give opportunity, and we're very confident with James, with Jerome, and Peter, Alice, that can contribute and have a bigger role for this conference.